Hello everyone, I welcome you all to DS Guruji. On the high demands of students, we are going to discuss 5000 plus most important questions of GK, and all these questions will be provided in language English. These questions have topics like history, polity, geography, economics, art and culture and other important topics which are important for competitive examinations. These questions are going to be very helpful for your next examinations because these questions have taken from previous examinations like UPSC, SSC, RRB, NTPC and other state PCS examinations. So these are going to be very helpful for you, and all these questions, 5000 plus questions, will be provided in this one video. So this one video is going to be very helpful for you, and you can share this video with your friends and students who are preparing for competitive examinations. And if you want the PDF of this video, you can visit our website. Our website is www.dskurji.com. The link is given in description below, and you can also join our Telegram channel which is named DS Guruji. So let's start. Here is our first topic. Our first topic is Indian history, and the first topic of Indian history is ancient India. So let's start. Here is our first question. The home of Gargi, Maitreya and Kapil was at. So the home of Gargi, Maitreya and Kapil was at Mithila. D option is correct here. Next question. Which among the following chronology is correct regarding 4 Samvatas? So the chronology which is correct regarding 4 Samvatas is Saka, Gupta, Hijri, Gregorian. A option is correct here. Which area of India was known as Avantika in ancient times? So the area which was known as Avantika in ancient times was Malwa. D option is correct here. The social system of Harappans was fairly egalitarian. A option is correct here. Which of the following Vedas provides information about the civilization of early Vedic age? So the Veds which provide information about the civilization of early Vedic age is Rig Veda. A option is correct here. The university which became famous in the post-Gupta era was Nalanda. C option is correct here. Banabhatta was the court poet of which emperor? So Banabhatta was the court poet of Harshvardhana. C option is correct here. The first Indian ruler who established the supremacy of Indian Navy in Arabian Sea was, the ruler was Rajaraja first. A option is correct here. Which statement on the Harappan civilization is correct? So the statement on the Harappan civilization is correct is the culture was not generally static, and in the Harappan civilization the culture was generally static. D option is correct here. Next question. The first Tirthankara of Jains was Rishabh. D option is correct here. The Great Silk Route to Indians was opened by Kanishk. A option is correct here. The ruler of which dynasty started the practice of granting tax-free villages to Brahmanas and Buddhist monks? So it was started by the ruler of Satvahan dynasty. A option is correct here. Next question. The most important text of Vedic mathematics is. So the most important text of Vedic mathematics is Sulvasutra. C option is correct here. Yavanika or curtain was introduced in Indian theatre by which of the following? Yavanika or curtain introduced in Indian theatre by which of the following? It was introduced by Greeks. C option is correct here. Who started the Saka era which is still used by the government of India? Saka era was started by Kanishk and it is still used by government of India. A option is correct here. What inspired the painting of Ajanta? The painting of Ajanta was inspired by compassionate Buddha. A option is correct here. Who among the following was the first to invade India? The person who was first to invade India was Darius I. C option is correct here. Which among the following is the oldest dynasty? The oldest dynasty is the Mauryan dynasty. A option is correct here. With which of the following is the classic Jivak Chintamani in Tamil Nadu associated? Classic Jivak Chintamani in Tamil Nadu is associated with Jainism. A option is correct here. Where did Lord Buddha breathe his last? Lord Buddha breathed his last in Kushinagar. D option is correct here. Who were the first kings to issue gold coins in India? The first kings to issue gold coins in India was Indo-Greeks. B option is correct here. Where is the Brihdeshwar temple situated? Brihdeshwar temple is situated in Tanjore. D option is correct here. In Tamil literature, the glorious books Silpadikaram and Manimekalai are related to. The glorious books Silpadikaram and Manimekalai in Tamil literature are related to Buddhism. B option is correct here. Who established the Mahabalipuram? Mahabalipuram was established by Pallavas. A option is correct here. The Saka era commencing from AD 78 was founded by Kanishk. A option is correct here. Ganhadhara School of Art came into existence in Mahayana sect. B option is correct here. Out of the following remains excavated in Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? So the commercial and economic development is indicated by seals. B option is correct here. Who according to Buddhist is believed to be the next incarnation of Gautam Buddha. So the next incarnation of Buddha is believed to be the Maitreyi. B option is correct here. Who among the following were contemporaries of Kanishk? The person who were the contemporaries of Kanishk were Nagarjun, Ashwaghosh and Vashumitra. B option is correct here. Which ruler built the Ellora temples? Ellora temple was built by Rashtrakut. C option is correct here. Who among the following also had the name Devanam Piyadasi? The person who had the name Devanam Piyadasi is Mauryan king Ashoka. A option is correct here. The subject matter of Ajanta paintings pertains to Buddhism. B option is correct here. Which of the following craftsmanship was not practiced by Aryans? The following craftsmanship which was not practiced by Aryan was blacksmith. D option is correct here. Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh in the year of 712 AD. A option is correct here. The words Satyamev Jayate in the state emblem of India were taken from Upanishads. A option is correct here. The earliest city discovered in India was Harappa. A option is correct here. The famous rock cut temple of Kailasa is at Ellora. D option is correct here. Epigraphy means the study of inscriptions. B option is correct here. Which among the following has not been found in the excavation of Harappan sites? So the thing that has not been found in the excavation of Harappan sites is temple with Sikhar. The option is correct here. Which among the following math is related to Buddhism? The following that math is related with Buddhism is Chaitya. B option is correct here. Where has the world's largest monolithic statue of Buddha been installed? So world's largest monolithic statue of Buddha has been installed in Bamiyan. A option is correct here. The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year. So the Harappan civilization was discovered in the year of 1922. D option is correct here. The title Indian Napoleon has been attached to Samudragupta. He is known as Indian Napoleon. B option is correct here. The Ajivikas were a sect contemporary to Buddha. A option is correct here. The organic relationship between the ancient culture of the Indus Valley and Hinduism of today is proved by the worship of stones, trees and animals. B option is correct here. How was Burma, that is known as Myanmar now, known to ancient Indians? Burma was known to ancient Indians as Suvarnabhumi. C option is correct here. With whom is Junagadh rock inscription associated? Junagadh rock inscription is associated with Rudradaman. A option is correct here. Nalanda University was a great center of learning, especially in Buddhism. A option is correct here. The Rathas of Mahabalipuram was built during the reign of the Pallavas. The option is correct here. Who is held as the god of medicine by the practitioners of Ayurveda? God of medicine is Dhanvantari according to practitioners of Ayurveda. C option is correct here. Next question. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? So only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard is Lothal. A option is correct here. Which dynasty succeeded the Chalukyas in the Western India? The dynasty which succeeded Chalukyas in Western India was Rashtrakutas. The option is correct here. Up to where did Chandragupta Maurya's empire extend in the northwest? So Chandragupta Maurya's empire in the northwest was till Indus River. B option is correct here. Next question. Prince Ilara conquered Sri Lanka in the 2nd century BC. With which of the following dynasties of Dravida ruler was he associated? So he was associated with Chola. B option is correct here. Harshvardhana organized his religious assembly at Prayag. B option is correct here. Which of the following domesticated animals was absent in the terracottas of Indus Valley civilization? So animals which was absent in the terracottas of Indus Valley civilization was cow. C option is correct here. Next question. Which among the following is the sacred book of the Buddhist? So the sacred book of the Buddhist is Tripitak. C option is correct here. The greatest development in the Kushan period was in the field of art. B option is correct here. Who was the first known Gupta ruler is Shrigupta. A option is correct here. Which was the only Indus city without a citadel? Only Indus city without a citadel is Chanhudaro. D option is correct here. Ashoka called the third Buddhist council at Pataliputra. A option is correct here. The tutor of Alexander the Great was Aristotle, and the tutor of Aristotle was Plato. D option is correct here. Aristotle is the only person who has a great tutor and a great student. D option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following literary works belongs to the classical Sanskrit literature? The literary work which belongs to the classical Sanskrit literature is Meghadutam. It is written by Kalidas. C option is correct here. Next question. Who propounded the eightfold path for the end of misery of mankind? It was propounded by Gautam Buddha. B option is correct here. The number system 0 was invented by Aryabhatta. B option is correct here. The Charak was the famous court physician of Kanishk. D option is correct here. Buddhism made an important impact by allowing two sections of society into its fold. These two sections were women and Shudras. D option is correct here. Next question. The language used to write source materials in ancient times was the language Pali. B option is correct here. Next question. India's trade with the Roman Empire came to an end with the invasion of Rome by the Hunas. C option is correct here. Next question. Most of the Chola temples were dedicated to Shiva. B option is correct here. Next question. Bull in Buddhism is associated with which event of Buddha's life? It is associated with the Buddha's event of Buddha's life is Buddha's birth. A option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following would be the most accurate description of Mauryan monarchy under Ashoka? The most accurate description of Mauryan monarchy under Ashoka will be enlightened despotism. A option is correct here.